Hello, everyone. My name is G.R. Reddy. I'm the founder of Hughes Consulting Limited in India. And we have been working in the space of outplacement for over 7 years now. We have partnered with CareerStar Group. Basically, CareerStar Group is a group of largest HR companies who are providing outplacement services across the globe. In India, we have started this activity quite a long time back, and a lot of initiatives that we have taken, a lot of innovative practices which are very, very much suited to Indian conditions that we have brought into India. We specialized in the mid and senior management level outplacement, because that is where the most difficult task of jobs finding, in the market that happens. Here today, I'm going to really talk about a journey of a person who's been given outplacement by the company. So let me just take through one by one step what happens, as when you receive the news. I'm sure when an individual receives the news, it is unexpected, but at the same time, they're also told about given an outplacement as a service, and some experts would handle, that area for them to take care of their career transition into the future. So that means the initial reaction would typically be, yes, accepted as a information. And since there is an opportunity for outplacement, so they are quicker to come back to terms normally. In such cases, we also help the individual to give an opportunity to hear what he or she would like to do next in terms of your career progression. So a coach, somebody who actually reaches out, talks to them about what are the current challenges and what actually aspirations that they have. Based on the aspiration, there is a specific action plan which is set. And there is also there's a team of people who really work with the person whose outplacement is under consideration. And how does it really reflect in their psychological framework is definitely because when you actually lose a job, you actually feel why to me, why is it happening to me? So in this case, it actually helps them to be able to see that, yes, I have a team, with me who's going to work with me, and the experts who are going to be there on my journey of transition. So the approach to a job suddenly becomes not just something random, but definitely a strategic and also extremely focused, because you have an experts who are actually supporting, who's going to set an action plan, action items, on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, which will help them to, build on the capabilities that they have. And they also work on the resume preparation initially. They also look at how his professional presentation, because I think today it is all about personal branding. So the career coaches are going to really work in creating a personal brand for the person, and also helps in building a profile which is social and professional, how over the internet the person has been conducting himself or herself, because that's going to make a huge difference to the search or the transition that he or she is going to make. And also the transition is generally in three types. One, it is to look for another job immediately. The second is to look at whether one would like to really start up, because if you have a zeal and there's a lot of opportunities that India has today, there is a lot of opportunity in the startup scenario itself. So maybe the person can also choose starting up the business. And the other option, maybe, if the age is a late in age factor, and probably there is a, how do you really go back to retire, and then maybe actively engage in looking at, being board positions and et cetera, et cetera. So these are the ones which really the focus is created for an employee. Then based on that, the search will happen. Typically, if it is a target for what kind of companies to approach, what kind of roles to approach, what locations that one need to look at, how do I really track and be in touch with the influencers, How do I develop my network? So all these aspects are actually, helped with the individual. The individual also is given in a lot of job search, which is actually in relation to the job that one is looking at, and also the competencies which the individual possess, based on which what kind of job profiles that can suit them. And in the process, we also help them in setting up their own network for a longer duration relationship, because that's going to be very important. It's not just for the job, but they need to really build their extended brand beyond the individual self, how on the internet that one can really represent themselves. So they also focus on building the network slowly, and also looking at how they can actually explore their expertise, and which they can actually communicate to rest of the world. They also are helped in terms of participation in groups and the discussions that will help in building a personal brand. And what actually this helps is actually creating an opportunity for the person to get discovered. That's going to be the very, very key. In today's time, the job is not about you approach and you apply. That anyway will happen, but I think the most important aspect is how you get discovered is going to be very crucial. And once there are opportunities that are there, there are experts who will actually work with the candidate in terms of how the interview process, how do you prepare for interview? The intelligence about the company, intelligence about the people who are going to interview, and also, what is happening with the company, and how the job profile really fits into, and where I think he or she should really make an impact when they're actually interacting. So there are a lot of preparation marks which go in before the interview for that specific position. So once if any of the jobs that gets confirmed, then I think the most crucial is the offer stage preparation in terms of the salary negotiations, benefit negotiation, etc., which also are helped by the experts who can actually support the individual who's been under the outplacement opportunity. So overall, what it makes is actually it makes a huge difference in terms of getting more discovered, and also able to get to a place where they actually can receive a better outcome. Okay. In our case, we have actually seen whom we work with, almost 85% of the people whom we provided the services are actually able to get a job within 3 or 4 months as per the seniority that they received. And that's been the success. But this is a process that the employee who's been given outplacement service go through. But just imagine if this service is not provided, it will be very difficult. And what it's going to impact, at last I would like to really say, is that when a company provides an outplacement, it creates a brand for itself, because the person is going to talk about very highly about the brand, that they have not left him or her just on their own, but they actually taken an effort to actually support them. And that's how it's going to really create a brand. And then the person will refer to the company when the company comes back to normal, and when they are new hiring, or also maybe willing to come back to the same company. I hope you really like this. And if you have any questions, at Hughes's, we are always there to support and share our expertise. Please do reach our team for any questions. Thank you so much. Namaste.